Nothing compares to the look, feel, and function of natural teeth, and with proper care, your smile can last a lifetime. While problems such as decay, disease, or injury can threaten teeth and ruin smiles, many teeth can be saved thanks to advancements in treatment and technology. A root canal procedure, also known as endodontic treatment, is one way to save a tooth. Endodontics is a subspecialty of dentistry that focuses on the diagnosis and treatment of disease or injury to the dental pulp and dough. Our dental specialists with advanced training in root canal treatment are experts at preserving your natural teeth through the use of cutting-edge technologies, such as microscopes and digital imaging. Let us examine a modern root canal procedure step by step. Here is an example of a healthy tooth. Dentin is a hard tissue found inside the tooth, beneath the white enamel. A soft tissue called pulp is contained within the dentin. The pulp contains the nerves and blood vessels of the tooth. It extends from the tooth's crown to the tooth's roots. Your endodontist will remove the pulp if it becomes inflamed or infected, alleviating your pain or discomfort. This is how root canal therapy works. To begin, your endodontist will numb the tooth, ensuring that you experience no discomfort during the procedure. A small shield protects the tooth from the environment, keeping it dry and clean. Through the crown of the tooth, an opening is made into the pulp chamber. Fluid is injected into the canals to kill any bacteria and to aid in the removal of debris. The pulp is then removed with the aid of small instruments. The canals are meticulously cleaned and shaped by the endodontist. The endodontist cleans and shapes the space before filling and sealing the root canals. In the majority of cases, a temporary filling is used to seal the opening until you can see your dentist. After your endodontist is finished, you must return to your dentist to have your tooth properly restored with a filling or crown that protects the tooth and is necessary for the root canal treatment to be successful. A root canal treated tooth frequently lasts a lifetime, allowing you to continue smiling confidently.